Whoa. That was a good one. Did I get that one on there? Oh, I did. Nice. Lucky doesn't like splashes. So this is what he does when we come up on an area that's got water. There he is. Look, look. You're a weird dog, man. You don't like splashes. Why don't you like splashes? There's the last one right here. What is it, Lucky? Oh, it's a big one right here. Look, get ready, get ready. Look. Look at that shit. Rollover rack. Damn. There's a rollover rack right up here. Truck in a ditch. Wow. That must have been a hell of a time on that one. Look at that. Damn, that's a, wow. That's a big truck rolled over right there.